Alright guys, so here we go. We got the Power A Fusion Pro 2 wired controller. Now this is specifically built for the Xbox Series S and the Xbox Series X. Now, if you're like me, you've seen nothing about this coming out. I had no idea this was coming out. I quite literally just seen this and picked it up today and figured I would do a quick unboxing and first impressions on it. So let's get into it. So right off the rip, the box is very, very similar to the original box. I'd tell you what, now that I'm looking at it more, so the original box got a pretty slick design with the background and stuff. Alright, enough of that. We're not doing a comparison video yet. So this has rubberized grip. It's got a mappable Pro Pack 3-way trigger locks. On the back, it just shows the controller layout. It shows all the extra things it has with it, and it gives you a whole bunch of stuff it talks about at the bottom. We don't really care about any of that. We just want to see what's in the box. So let's open it. It's got these stupid circle stickers that I hate. Some of y'all like that sound, don't y'all? Oh, yes. We need one more. All right, let's get it. So, first look, looks just like the original one. Comes in plastic. The box comes inside. Looks like it has your booklet for your instructions and all that. Oh, I just ripped that. We don't care though. You get stickers. Yep. You get a couple stickers like you did in the old one. And if y'all want these, I'll give them to you. Honestly, I will. And your usual user manual. None of us care about that. The box has got a pretty wicked design, if you ask me myself. I like that. All right, now that that's out of the way, main event. It comes with the same exact case as last time. This is not a comparison video. We'll be doing that later. By the way, guys, as I'm opening this is, like I said, a first impression and just no unboxing. I will be dropping a full review on this controller and the comparison to the original one and let you know if it's actually worth buying for the extra amount of money. Because this one right now is about $90-something with tax, and the original one I can find for $60-something. So is it worth the $30 more? I'll let you know in the video coming up, probably in a week. So we'll put this to the side just for a second. Comes with protector, foam and stuff for your extra joysticks. Comes with, it looks like your 10-foot cable. It's USB-C. Look at it. It's USB-C. That is nice. That is definitely a difference from the original. A much light difference. Looks like the back piece for the controller. And look at this, guys. They give you a white cover. So you have a black cover and you have the white color. Can y'all figure out why? Yeah, it's for the Series S and the Series X. That's it. That's all that's in there. Let's hop into the actual controller itself. So, very first impression of looking at this, the grip is different down here at the bottom, around the back. It feels pretty good. This is new. It looks like a, let's see if I can get y'all better. So there you go. Looks like a volume control for your 3.5mm jack. Mute, up, down. So pretty wicked. Now these are different. The back of these, they are different in the color. They still come off and go on the same, it looks like. You still have your anti-locks for your back of your controller. And your buttons, they have a little bit more rubber grip on the sides right here, so that's different. And since this is next gen console controller, you have your share button right here. Other than that, the buttons feel pretty good. Everything still sounds clicky. Honestly, weight wise, it feels the same. That's it, guys. I mean, honestly, here, let's see if this comes off just for kicks and giggles. Just in case y'all want to see it. Now, I will admit, I wish they would have done something different with the white, with the black on the back. It looks okay. It doesn't look ugly, but I don't know. I think I would have been a little bit different. I have some other thoughts about this, but I'm gonna save these for my full review. First impressions, though, is I really just get the same vibe from the other controller with a couple differences, different buttons, and a different face bag. But I'm gonna play on this for the next week, and I will drop the video coming next weekend, and you'll get to see a full review plus a comparison to the original one. Is it worth buying? I'll let you know coming up next week. See y'all. Be safe. Till next time. Later.